Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also name 3D ranges. Remember, a 3D range is one cell range that spans through several sheets. As long as the cell range referenced is the same for all of the different spreadsheets in the group, you can name it. Then it too can be used in formulas in place of the cell range addresses. Remember that there is no way that you can name a range that refers to different cell ranges on different spreadsheets. Now to do this, first select Insert from the menu bar, roll down to Name, and choose Define. That will bring up the Define Name dialog box. In the Names in Workbook text box, type in the name that you want to give to your 3D range. Remember, there are no spaces allowed in range names. In the Refers To text box, click the Collapse dialog button at the right end of the text box. Then click the Sheet Name tab of the first sheet in the 3D cell range. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and then click the Sheet Name tab of the last worksheet that you want to include in the 3D range. Then click and drag over the cells in the spreadsheet which you want to use as the cell references for the 3D range. Next, click the Expand dialog button at the right end of the Refers To text box to expand the dialog box. And in the Define Name dialog box, click the Add button. You should see the new range reference appear in the list of range names. Then click the OK button when you're finished. At that point, you can use this name as a substitute for 3D range references. However, you will not be able to actually move to that range, and it won't show in the Named Range drop-down that we can normally access from the name box in the formula bar. The reason being is it would be impossible to actually show all the cells from the multiple sheets in a single window, so it's impossible to select it through the name box. We cannot move to a 3D range. However, we can use it in our 3D formulas.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.